How to check first estimate in search pricing in Didi. To view a Didi fare estimate in search pricing, you may follow up these steps. So you can basically open up the Didi app first and then input your desired pickup and drop off locations in this where to fill section. Just go ahead and tap on it. Just go ahead and enter it up, your pickup and the drop off location here. And after entering up the location, a fare estimate will be displayed under the vehicle icon like this. So here you can, after entering up the location, estimated price will be displayed under the vehicle or right beside the vehicle. And if the area is experiencing high demand, it will apply dynamic pricing, also known as surge pricing. You can look out for a multiplier next to fare estimate. In the multiplier indicates the increase in the time base, time waiting, and distance fares due to surge pricing. After the trip, you can view a detailed breakdown in the trip history section of the app that will basically show you how the base fare, time, distance, and any surge multipliers contributed into the final fare. And that is it. So if you'd also like to check your fare estimate in surge pricing in Didi, you may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this information was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.